Okay, so now I'm going to handle some of that content localization experience, right? So if I wanted to actually come up here and translate some of these activities and show them in Spanish. Right now, I don't believe it's showing in Spanish at all. I do have some of the others, but the activities don't show. It's completely avoided as a row, right? Because there is no content there. So I'm actually going to flip back to English and show two different ways that you can localize that content. So number one, I did add to the system workflow, I added a translate button here as well. So I can click translate. As I showed you, you can preview the Spanish that's auto-generated. Now I can go ahead and flip to my Spanish preview of the page, and now I see buceo, here instantly. Or I can go back to my English over here, go to activities, and I can perform the action in bulk. Remember, we were looking at the different views. So let me look at my English only, which once again, you can preview and sort by everything. So I can click here. I already did diving, so I don't need to translate that one in bulk. And then I can just click on my workflow actions and click translate, and it's going to translate all of my 9 activities all at the same time. All right. So it's giving me a countdown for the translation. Okay, so now all of them are translated. I can look only at my Spanish here and see all of it instantly translated as well. Then I go back to my site browser, open up my index page. I'm looking at it already in Spanish because it saw that I flipped to it in the content editor to Spanish, and so it kind of stays in the session until you change it. So now I'll flip back to English, right? So that way you can completely preview pages by language, by device type. So looking at a phone or a tablet landscape or portrait, I can go ahead and preview all the content, the new content I added on the same of the page, and get all those previews.